Welcome to Proactive Outreach. In this video, we'll explore strategies for intervening before problems escalate. Proactive outreach is about identifying and addressing customer issues early before they become major problems. This approach is fundamental to building strong customer relationships and ensuring long-term business success. Let's start by understanding why proactive outreach is so important. First, it prevents small issues from becoming big problems. When you address concerns early, they're easier and cheaper to resolve. Second, proactive outreach improves customer satisfaction. Customers feel heard and valued when you reach out to them first, before they have to complain. Finally, consistent and caring communication strengthens customer relationships and builds trust and loyalty that lasts. To be proactive, you need to recognize the early warning signs that a customer might be at risk. Watch for decreased usage patterns, where customer engagement or feature adoption starts to slow down. Notice changes in communication, like slower responses or less frequent interactions. Be alert when customers miss important milestones or fall behind on their adoption timelines. And pay attention when support requests spike, indicating a sudden increase in problems or confusion. Now let's look at the core strategies for proactive outreach. First, monitor health metrics by tracking usage patterns, engagement scores, and product adoption rates regularly. Second, schedule regular check-ins with customers to assess how they're doing and understand their progress. Third, set up automated alerts that trigger when you spot concerning behaviors like inactivity or repeated errors. This way, you can respond quickly before issues escalate. Let's continue with more essential strategies. Fourth, segment your customers by risk level, industry, or usage patterns. This allows you to target your outreach efforts more effectively to the customers who need help the most. Fifth, document and share best practices, helpful resources, tips, and success stories. This guides your customers toward success and prevents common mistakes. Sixth, build strong feedback loops by actively seeking customer input to identify pain points and discover new improvement opportunities. Effective proactive outreach uses multiple communication channels. Use email campaigns to send personalized tips, feature updates, and industry insights. Schedule phone or video calls for deeper, more personal engagement and support. Send in-app messages that provide contextual guidance right when customers need it most. And host training sessions or webinars to help customers maximize the value they get from your product or service. When executing proactive outreach, timing is critical. Reach out before issues escalate, not after complaints have already happened. Always personalize your message by referencing specific customer context, their goals, and previous interactions. Show that you genuinely care by focusing on helping rather than selling. Your priority should be delivering value. Finally, measure and iterate on your approach. Track response rates and outcomes to continuously refine your proactive outreach strategy. How do you know if your proactive outreach is working? Track your churn rate to measure reductions in customer cancellations and attrition. Monitor satisfaction scores like Net Promoter Score and customer satisfaction to see how happy your customers are. Measure expansion, revenue from upsells and cross-sells, which often come from engaged customers. And track renewal rates to see improvements in customer retention and subscription renewals. These metrics show the real business impact of your proactive efforts. Let's recap the key takeaways. Proactive outreach prevents small issues from becoming major problems that harm your customer relationships. Monitor health metrics and watch for early warning signs consistently throughout the customer lifecycle. Use multiple communication channels to reach customers in meaningful ways that work best for them. Focus on genuine value and personalization in every interaction you have with customers. Finally, measure success through retention, satisfaction, and revenue metrics to understand the true impact of your efforts. Remember, proactive outreach builds lasting customer relationships and drives business success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.